All right, welcome back, everybody. John Caruso here. Today's October 20th, Wednesday, and boy, oh boy, do we have a strong one going on right now. I think if you look at the board, it's telling you flat out risk on, at least until the Fed meeting. We've got the S&P at 45.30 right now. That's up 40 basis points. The NASDAQ 15,411. That's up 12 basis points, and the Russell leading the way up just a shade under 1% at 2292. So I'm expecting all-time highs in the S&P 500 going into the Fed meeting early November. And, you know, if you see the Fed actually short arm the taper and basically under deliver, I mean, I don't know what's holding risk assets back from charging even higher into the end of the year. So we're still very, very favorable on the cycle. At the moment, we think the economic cycle conditions are going to remain favorable, likely for the next 2 quarters. Crude oil prices pressing 83 right now. Natural gas is reflating after its couple days slide. It's back at 540 on the December contract, and heating oil at 256. And I don't know what's stopping heating oil from running to 265 here over the near term. Gold just kind of chopping around. Silver's actually looking better. It's moved to positive momentum. And the dollar has broken back to neutral trend and back to neutral momentum, sitting at 93.64 with downside potential here in the very near term to 93.20. The bond market still has upside. 10-year yields to 167. The bond market itself, the bond prices do not have much upside, we don't think. And that's probably one of the worst investments on the board right now, is being long of fixed income, moving into a favorable cycle for risk assets going forward. So over the last couple of days, you should have been buying natural gas. You should have been buying some dips, the shallow dips in crude oil, shallow dips in heating oil. And that's really all we're looking at right now. Bitcoin, all-time highs in Bitcoin. So I don't know what tells you, that we're in a risk-off state of the market right now. Bitcoin surpassing the all-time high, trading at 67,400. I've got upside in Bitcoin here over the very short term. It's running out of room here, but 68,600 is what you want to target here in the near term on Bitcoin. It is actually starting to flash an immediate term overbought signal in the projection oscillator that we follow at 85 right now. Anything above 80 is considered immediate term overbought, and we're there, and we're closing in on the top of the range right now in Bitcoin. So that's really all I have for you right now. Feel free to reach out if you want to jump on our morning market insight letter. We review all of this in the letter in the morning, and we'll even perhaps send you a few trade suggestions based on our market findings. So that's all I have for you. Best of luck to you out there. We'll catch you back here at the end of the week. Take care.